Oh hello, been a while isn't it? Anyway, I'm back now. I'm in my shed. Let's fix something. Let's try and fix my disappointment. First of all, let's have a look at the listing and see what I thought I was buying. Okay, so this is what I went for. It's a remote control Ferrari F1 RC car, not working, repair or display. So display first of all says, oh, this is something special. So I put in a maximum bid of 25 quid, thinking it looks quite nice. There's only 2 photos, and that's them. It stood at the starting bid, I think, which was around £3, something like that, for about 3 days, and then it shot up to 25, and I thought, well, I'm not going to get it, forget it. Anyway, a few days later, the pin come through, I'd bought it 25 quid. So I thought, brilliant, I'm going to get a really nice remote control car, 25 quid. And then this arrived through the post. This box. And I didn't know what it was, because I hadn't ordered anything this small. Let me show you how I hadn't ordered anything this small. It's not even the size of a shoebox. So anyway, I opened it, had a look to see what we got. And of course, it was a remote control Ferrari. And honestly, it's a third of the size I was expecting. Here's the remote. So let me compare this remote to what I was expecting. Yeah, I was expecting something like that. So if you put that next to this car, yeah, suddenly you're realising my disappointment. This remote controls my Subaru. And right now, my Subaru's in pieces, but if I was to put it here next to this car, now you can see my disappointment. This is a toy, no doubt about it. And also, it's not quite the display that I was expecting. You can just see down here, it looks a little bit chewed up. Where the wishbone should be, so there's a little moulded wishbone there. It really is quite awful. I did think about sending it back, but what's the point? Anyway, let's get some batteries in and see what's wrong with it. I'm not sure even if that's making a contact on the negative pole of the battery. But to add more to my disappointment, it's not even progressive acceleration or braking, it's on. It's just forward and reverse. Oh. But I'm sending it back. It's not even faulty. I can't even put my disappointment into words right now. Definitely sending this back. It's not as described. I'm sending it back because it's not faulty. But also, That's not a display piece either. So just let this be a lesson to everybody. Don't trust everything you see on eBay. And if you do get something that isn't as described, don't be afraid to send it back. 25 quid for something that's described as a display model and faulty is a lot of money to pay, really. And to end up with that, that's not on. Even the sticker's coming off. So on that massive disappointment, we'll end the video. Hopefully next time we'll actually fix something. Take care now. Bye bye.